junctions for Ocado Luton. Luton Road, Panettone Park, Luton, LU4 9TT. Well, first thing is it's nearer Dunstable, it's more Dunstable than Luton. It's a new build, and if you know it, it's across the M1 from the new Lidl down at Dunstable. So this is the first time I've ever been, so let's go on a journey, as they say. It's just past Toddington Services, which we're going past right now. If you know this area, traffic is always a nightmare, so nothing we can do about that. But it's the next junction off. It's the new junction that they built a few years ago, and as advertised, traffic's a nightmare. I've been to a few other Ocados, not too bad. Hatfield tended to be a bit of a long tip, certainly when it's busy. Tamworth, not too bad. You're looking at hour to 2 hours, and the one on the 303 on the way to Salisbury, can't quite remember the actual name of the place, not been there for a while, that's very good. So like 45 minutes to an hour generally. Obviously individually you probably have different time frames, so I've got high hopes for this one. I believe it's a bit of a funny junction. It's very visible, and it's to all intents and purposes actually on the roundabout at the top of the junction. But I'm not quite sure. I've had a quick look on the maps, I don't think you can get to it directly off the roundabout, but we'll soon find out. Yeah, this traffic at the moment is very typical. It's morning rush hour, and they've got more building, more roadworks. I've been doing this job on and off for about 40 years, and you just cannot believe how they don't have an integrated maintenance schedule. It's just nuts. Ever thus in this country, nobody talks to anybody. Anyway, right, so 11A, junction 11A, A5 Aylesbury, Dunstable. That's the one we're coming off at. I've got to keep my eyes on peeled, because I've got traffic. And I've got a junction I'm not sure of, so bear with me if I keep pausing. I haven't got any sat nav or anything like this today. I googled the map, had a quick look. That was a couple of hours ago, so I'm just doing this on experience. Following the old nose, as it were. I asked a colleague who'd been here, and he said it's not too bad a tip. He was in and out about 40-45 minutes. However, he said when he was leaving, they were queuing to get on bays. So I suppose it's like everywhere, depending on how busy it is, what time of day you arrive, as to how easy and how quickly you get on a bay and get tipped. So we're going to come off here now. Obviously this is M1 southbound. M1 northbound, you're going to come up the other side and get over this side. I believe Ocado is directly in front. I just need to see how I get there. Which hopefully should all become clear.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
It's a bit of a funny junction. You have to go up to the little roundabout on the other side of the motorway, and it looks as though via a series of roundabouts back under the M1 signposted Panatoni Park, Luton Commercial. I'm a feeling that could be it. So down to the next island. Right, so we're going to do basically big loop background. Oh, it looks like it might be over the motorway, not under the motorway. Looking round, but as you can see, planning again. I just don't understand. What a awkward, convoluted way of putting something that's so direct. It's right on that junction, and yet you have to go all the way around. Yeah. Is this the A5 we're going over? Yeah. So you go back over the A5, heading for Luton, Sundon B579, following the commercial vehicle signs. Very strange, but yeah, it's signposted. Panatoni Park, Luton Commercial Park. That's what you want, Luton North. And then up to the next island. Now we're going over the M1. What's the old saying? So near yet so far. So hopefully it makes a little bit of sense. Just got to find the entrance now. It's left. So it's left at the island. And here we are. It'll probably be a speak to the speaker system. So let's find out. So it is booking. I've just got to see how it all works. It looks like vans this side. I've been given bay 4, so it's the same old until you've been somewhere once. It's a mystery. Got a roundabout. Inbound office to the right, so I'm assuming I come this way. Let's have a look. Yes, there's 4. Pulls up in this corner. It's saying exit to the right, so who knows? Well, there's 4. Ah, there's the exit. Up in that top right hand corner there, look. Not very well signposted. There's a lot of paint on the yard. On the yard floor. But when you're looking for signs, there isn't any. But yes, so that's Ocado Luton, nearer Dunstable than Luton. Bit of a long-winded way to get around to it when it's right on that junction, but I shall remember next time, and hopefully I've helped you out so you don't have to remember. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. If you'd like to give us the old thumbs up, like button, subscribe for more, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm, the little channel like me. and I'll hopefully catch you all again soon later. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. So that was 45 minutes, so it's about right with the other ones I've been to, bar in Hatfield, but they do tend to be busy most of the times that I've ever been there. Make our way following the exit signs. And I'm assuming we just go back the way we came in. Exiting on the left. I think I'll stick to this lane, which now, as I'm looking ahead, is the right lane, because the left lane is vans only. The one I'm going to pick, HGV only. Auto, or do you have to press the button, or yeah, press the button. Yeah, just a button, nobody talks to you. Quite tight, so just be aware, don't start turning straight away. It is tight, good lord. Watch out for any vehicles coming towards you. So that's Ocado Luton. I'm going to go back the way I came. Yeah, funny little junction, funny experience, not bad at all. New site, new facilities, so everything's okay. You can stay in your cab or stay in the waiting room. You hand your paperwork and your keys in at the goods in office, and then you return once you get the green light.